Hello and welcome to 345 Dawson's Parkway here in Lexington. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, 1-car garage, fully fenced in backyard, and you also have your covered front porch right there. Let's go take a look in the back. Alright, we are now in the backyard. As you can see, it is fully fenced in. Very nice home, brand new home out here in Lexington. You have your slide doors right here that leads into the dining room, and then you have your patio right here. Let's go take a look inside. All right, we are now inside. As soon as you come in through the front door, you have your ceiling fan right here, also your thermostat right there on the wall to the right. And also you have your very nice hardwood floors as well. You have your window that looks out into the front yard of the neighborhood. And that's your doorway right here. Coming down the hallway here, you have your alarm system and also the stairs that lead to all the bedrooms up there. Right here you have your closet, and this door right here to the left is the half bathroom. You have your single vanity right there, and also a very nice mirror, and your toilet right here. If you keep on going straight forward, you'll run to the dining room. Very spacious dining room. And you have your slide doors right here and also your chandelier. And here is the kitchen. Very nice kitchen. You have your stainless steel smooth top stove, microwave, double-sided refrigerator, all made by General Electric. You have your wood cabinets right here. Nice chocolate. It actually accents it very, very well. You have your granite countertops and 2 windows right there above the sink that look out into the backyard. To the left, you have your door right here, straight forward, that leads to the garage. Door to the left is your pantry. And double door to the right is the laundry room. All right, and here is the garage. You also have some extra space right here behind the door. Here is the garage. To the left, you have a push button to turn on the light. And also the breaker box is in here as well. And we're going to make our way back through the kitchen and into the dining room, and we'll take a look at the bedrooms that are upstairs. We are now upstairs. Room straightforward has bedroom number 1. You have bedroom number 2 right here to the right, and to the left you have the master bedroom. Also, you do have another thermostat up here for upstairs. We're going to look at this bedroom right here to the right. Very spacious. It is fully carpeted all throughout upstairs. And that window looks into the backyard. Here is the rest of the room, and then you have your closet, and also you have your Jack and Jill bathroom right here. It connects to the other bathroom to where you can go in through there. Here is the closet. And the bathroom. You have your shower and tub combo right here. Also, you have your toilet, granite countertops, single vanity. Again, you have the chocolate brown cabinets, very nice feel, and your mirror right here. Going through the bathroom to bedroom number 2. Same style as bedroom number 1. Also, you have your closet right there as well. But this one is a bigger closet. All right, last but not least, we have the master bedroom, which is right here. Pretty decent sized master bedroom. You have your ceiling fan right here. Also, 2 windows right there that look out into the front yard of the neighborhood. Carpet in here as well. To the right here, you have your walk-in closet. This is walk-in closet number 1. And then you have your master bathroom right here. Very nice bathroom. You have your glass shower right there. Gives it a nice feel with the silver lining on it. And then you have a pretty good sized mirror right there. Also granite countertops, chocolate accent on the cabinets. And then you have your garden tub right here, pretty good size. And also you have your toilet right here. That door right there is the linen closet, and then you have this door right here that leads to walk-in closet number 2. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. This is 345 Dawson's Parkway here in Lexington. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, brand new home, very nice. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. Any questions that you might have, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.